हाँ यहाँ से पढ़ो. Mina's family alleged that police had been unfair. पढ़ो यहाँ से.
Mina's family alleged that police had been unfair and did not hear their version. On Saturday, police brought Mina to the police station where she suddenly fell down and became unconscious. Yet, she learned of his he fell down and became unconscious. He was rushed to a primary health center from where he was sent to a district hospital. After his after his health uh, after his health
Deteriorated.
deteriorated.
What is the meaning of deteriorated?
गड़बड़ा जाना.
और भी खराब हो जाना. Write down the words. Deteriorated. He was rushed to a primary health center from where he was sent to the district hospital. After his health deteriorated, he was rushed to SMS hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. What is the meaning of succumbed?
Death.
हार मान लेना.
Died. Yeah, he died because of his injuries. Yes, you please read.
We have suspended 3 policemen, including the SHO, and have sent 30 others to the police line for a fair investigation in the case, said Swai Madhopur SP Sudhir Chaudhary. After his death, his family
और कोई पढ़ो. वैष्णवी पढ़ो.
मैम हम पढ़े.
हाँ पढ़ो.
After his death, his family initially accused police of atrocities.
Sorry. Atrocity मतलब अत्याचार.
However, on Sunday evening, the deceased
मतलब मरहूम जो कि मर चुका है. The deceased
brothers lodged
an FIR
of murder against the rebel family members.
मतलब the
rival
who were fighting for his that 55-year-old man.
Ma'am.
Rival means.
मैम यहाँ FIR के पहले एन क्यों लगा है?
एफ का उच्चारण ए होता है इसलिए.
Where are you pointing at? After his death, his family initially accused police of atrocities. However, on Sunday evening, the deceased brother lodged an FIR. F starts with an A.
Yes.
F A साउंड से शुरू हो रहा है, ठीक है. M M म नहीं हो रहा, M. तो जितना भी वॉवल साउंड है ना, ई साउंड हो गया ना. F एन FIR बिकॉज वावल साउंड से शुरू हो रहा है. फास्ट होता तो नहीं होता, लेकिन F बोल रहे हैं हम लोग, तो इट स्टार्ट्स विद अ वावल साउंड. हाँ, यस, कंटिन्यू.
Under what circumstances he fell down at
under what circumstances he fell down at the police station? मतलब किस कारण से, कैसा, ऐसा क्या हुआ, कौन सा circumstances हुआ जिससे वो गिर गया? Under what circumstances he fell down at the police station? And did he get any fresh injury at the police station are a few things which would be probed through investigation. इसको पढ़ो तुम. So what was the charges of the family members? किन हालात में वो गिरा और under what circumstances he fell down at the police station, and did he get fresh injury, और वहां गिरने के बाद उसको चोट पहुंची थी क्या जिसकी वजह से बाद में उसकी मौत हो गई. Did he get fresh injury at the police station? ये कुछ ऐसी बातें हैं जिस पर गहराई से इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा. प्रोब्ड मतलब कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा. Looked into the matter, probe into the matter. Yes, read.
Also, it would be
Also. ये also. ठीक है.
Also, it would be seen if his previous injuries led to his death or he was transferred at the police station.
तो इसमें कहा जा रहा है इस बात पर भी देखा जाएगा कि क्या जो प्रीवियस इंजरीज था जिसकी वजह से उसको डेथ हुआ या उसको पुलिस स्टेशन में मार पड़ी थी. थ्रैश्ड मतलब कि मार पिटाई होना. he was
टॉर्चर करना.
पुलिस स्टेशन टॉर्चर करना. थ्रैश का मतलब होता है मारना. थ्रैश एट द पुलिस स्टेशन एज वेल. तो ये दोनों पहलू पे बात की जाएगी. या तो उसको प्रीवियस जो इंजरीज थे और पुलिस कस्टडी में जो डेथ हुआ है तो वहाँ उसकी पिटाई हुई थी या क्या हुआ था. Also it would be seen if his previous injuries led to his death. कि पहले कोई जो इंजरीज पहले से थी जिसकी वजह से डेथ हुआ है या
thrashed at the police station as well, said a senior officer of Swai Madhopur police on the condition of anonymity.
Anonymity का मतलब होता है name which is hidden. Anonymous मतलब कि
अनजाने.
हाँ. Somebody else read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, somebody read. Initially, the family. Yeah, पढ़ो ना इसको. The last paragraph.
Initially, the family members were
reluctant. आने को तैयार नहीं थे.
Of postmortem. However, on Sunday.
Hello, listen to the meaning first. Initially, the family members were reluctant. Reluctant का मतलब होता है मना करना.
Unwilling.
इच्छा नहीं थी उनकी. जैसे आप बोलते हैं I was reluctant to go to the party. मैं जाना नहीं चाह रहा था. ठीक है. तो पहले इनिशियली मतलब पहले बोलो तो मना कर रहे थे लेकिन बाद में तो पोस्टमार्टम हुआ ही. इनिशियली पहले मना कर रहे थे. Initially the family members were reluctant of post-mortem. However, on Sunday, after noticing action against police officers, the post-mortem was conducted and funeral took place in the evening. कौन पढ़ रहा है इसको? रिकम्प्लीट कर लो इसको.
However, on Sunday, after noticing action against police officer, the post-mortem was conducted and funeral took place in the evening.
Funeral. हम इसको पढ़ देते हैं. Initially, the family members were reluctant of post-mortem. However, on Sunday, after noticing action against police officers, the post-mortem was conducted and funeral took place in the evening. दो चीज बहुत जरूरी है. Correct pronunciation of words and the meaning of words. I'm going to read this again so that if there is any problem in pronunciation, we will learn. Entire staff of Rajasthan Thana removed after custodial death. Jaipur. The entire staff of Barwada police station in Savai Madhopur district was removed on Sunday, a day after a 55-year-old allegedly died in police custody. While the SHO and 3 policemen were suspended on Saturday, the entire staff was sent to police lines on Sunday. According to police, Bhajan Lal Meena had a confrontation. What is the meaning of confrontation? क्यों क्यों
स्वीकार करना।
हुआ? क्या हुआ? ये तो कोई पढ़ा ही नहीं. According to police का क्या कहना है? That Bhajan Lal Meena had a confrontation with his cousin's family on Friday and Saturday, in which both the parties used batons and iron rods against each other. तो लड़ाई कहाँ शुरू हुई?
Friday or Saturday.
The two families आपस में भिड़ गए और उन लोगों ने क्या किया? They used rods and all kinds of things against each other, जिससे वो injured हो गया and they were sent to police custody. मीना's family, हाँ, confrontation का मतलब बताइए. Confrontation, yes. लड़ाई आपस में अक्सर होता है. Two family in a family feud होता है. They fight and they use anything which is fatal. Meena's family alleged that police had been unfair and did not hear their version. अब यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? Meena's family, they were saying that the police did not listen to us. They did not listen to their version. उनकी बात कोई सुन नहीं रहा था. कोई सुना नहीं. कौन लोग नहीं सुना? The police. The police had been unfair, मतलब not fair.
Partial.
Yes, and did not hear their version. उनका कहना. What is the meaning of version? उनकी बात
है उनकी साइड की.
On Saturday, police brought Meena to the police station where he suddenly fell down and became unconscious. This is according to the police. उसको लाया गया, वहाँ पर वो unconscious हो गया. It is yet to be learned how he fell down. अब ये पता नहीं कैसे हो गया. पुलिस कह रहा है कि जैसे ही वो लाया गया, he fell down. So it is yet to be learned how he fell down and became unconscious. He was rushed to a primary health center from where he was sent to the district hospital after his health deteriorated. He was rushed to SMS hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. So here's the story. The two families fought and then this person was injured and he came to the police station where the police says that on reaching there, he became unconscious. And so he was sent to a health center where he died. And then they say that we have suspended 3 policemen, including the SHO, and have sent 30 others to police lines for a fair investigation in the case, said Savai Madhopur SP Sudhir Chaudhary. After his death, his family initially accused police of the atrocities. Accused, blame, atrocities, torture. However, on Sunday evening, the deceased brother, deceased means the person who has died, the deceased family, marne wale ke family, deceased marne wala. The deceased brothers lodged an FIR of murder against the rival family. So they lodged a complaint against the FIR against the person, against the rival family, the family who had fought. Under what circumstances he fell down at the police station, and these things are being probed. ये सब प्रोब किया जा रहा है कि किस कंडीशंस में, किस सर्कमस्टांसेस में वो गिर गया है, वो अनकॉन्शियस हुआ, वो फ्रेश इंजरी हुआ, गिरने के बाद इंजरी से डेथ हुआ है या पहले का इंजरी से वो डेथ हुआ है, ये सब बातें अभी प्रोब करना बाकी है. इट इज येट टू बी इन्वेस्टिगेटेड. So also it would be seen if his previous injuries led to his death, or he was thrashed at the police station as well. The meaning of as well here means वहाँ तो उसको चोट लगी ही, लेकिन यहाँ भी लगी. As well is quite clear that he was beaten up by the police also. That is why they have suspended so many people. Said a senior officer of Savai Madhupur police on the condition of anonymity. Things are yet to be investigated. Initially, the family members were reluctant. In the beginning, the family did not want a post-mortem. But after seeing the action taken by the police, they said, okay. So, noticing after they noticed what action, after noticing action against police officers, the post-mortem was conducted and funeral took place in the evening. So this was the news that we read. Let us stop and discuss. Can anybody give me the news again? Can anybody recreate the news? Anyone? Can anyone tell me what you have understood? What was the news? Yes, Rolma 26, Satish Ram. क्या न्यूज़ था? What was the news?
मैम उस राजस्थान थाना था, उसमें एक व्यक्ति का मृत्यु हो गया था.
तो ये जो न्यूज़ जो पढ़ा हम लोगों ने, उसमें आपका क्या वर्जन है? What do you have to say? What is your view about this news? What is your analysis? Number 64.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was the news and what are your views about it? How will you analyze this?
Maybe because of the previous injury, he died in police station.
So you feel the police is nowhere to be blamed for anything, isn't it?
No.
So how can you say that?
Because he was beaten up by other party.
Because
with iron rods and batons.
Rods and whatnots. So he was
Batons.
beaten up very badly, and the moment
Yes,
he reached the station, you speak. Why am I speaking? So let us discuss it out. So it is your version that the police is nowhere to be blamed, isn't it?
Yes.
Now tell me why.
Sorry, ma'am?
Tell me, give me the explanation. Why do you feel so?
I think so that he died.
Yes. So what is the reason behind it?
And the reason was because he was badly beaten up by the other party.
Okay. And how many people believe that it was the police fault? How come these people were suspended? On what grounds?
Maybe that other party was strong on their stand, and they.
And as it always happens, like you can get away with anything if you have the money.
Money. On that ground, they are making egg.
Exactly. The others, please switch on your cameras and discuss. We read the news and then we analyze, we discuss, we give the vocabulary, we give our understanding. So can anybody give the news in English, the same news? Can anybody recreate and tell me the news? Be the anchor. Anyone? All of 51, Shanaya Singh. So what was the news that we read? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Look, in this class, you need to speak. You need to read, you need to interact, you need to ask questions, you need to speak, you need to present, you need to discuss. That is why this class has been given to you, no? Give me the news that which you read right now. Look, be attentive when you are in this class, because I can ask anybody any question, and if you do not reply, you get a black star. Shanaya Singh, did you read the news? Did you listen to the news?
मैम नेटवर्क इशू के कारण कट आवाज आ रही थी।
ऐसी तो कोई बात नहीं है। नेटवर्क इशू था जरूर, इनिशियली था, बाद में ठीक हो गया था। ये देखते हैं, जब भी क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो फिर आपका जवाब एक ही रहता है। कितना एक फॉर्मेट बन गया है, कुछ सवाल पूछा जाएगा तो माय आंसर विल बी मैम नेटवर्क इशू था। आपने कुछ भी नहीं सुना शनाया?
नो मैम।
कुछ भी नहीं सुना? अभी रोल नंबर 64 कुछ कह रहा था।
मैम नेटवर्क इशू है मेरे फोन में।
तो तुम अभी हमको कैसे सुन पा रही हो?
टाइम से नेटवर्क इशू था मैम।
Then how will you respond? How are you responding right now? न्यूज़ रीडिंग इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग, यू रीड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। आप पेपर पढ़ते नहीं है, ये एक माध्यम है, एक क्लास में लगा है जो कि यू आर रीडिंग, यू आर डिस्कसिंग, यू आर एनालाइजिंग, यू आर स्पीकिंग। तो पूरी क्लास का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव रहता है ना कि आपको आगे बढ़ाना टुवर्ड्स बेटर इंग्लिश, तो पॉसिबल कैसे होगा जब तक आप इंटरेक्ट नहीं कीजिएगा। जस्ट यूं ही से क्लास में आ जाना तो वो ऑब्जेक्टिव ही नहीं है।